Hello friends! Today we will install full version of FL Studio easily. So let's get started. And
Usually, FL Studio Producer Edition costs $199 and the All Plugins Edition costs $499. But you can ask full version free by clicking the link in the description. Don't worry about safety. All software is pre-tested, scanned with multiple antiviruses, and confirmed working by our community. Just go to the site, follow the instructions, and download the file. By the way, you'll find tons of other premium software available for free on the same site. Everything is working and tested for functionality before being posted. Just click on the site thumbnail to explore. Unzip the archive using the password from the site, and your FL Studio All Plugins Edition is ready to go. Now let me show you how amazing everything works. With FL Studio All Plugins Edition, you get the ultimate music production experience without any limitations. Everything works flawlessly, from beat making to professional mixing and mastering. Here are the main advantages of FL Studio All Plugins Edition. Lifetime free updates. Get every future version of FL Studio forever. No subscription needed. All native plugins included. Over 100 instruments and effects worth thousands of dollars. Unlimited tracks. Add as many audio, MIDI, and automation tracks as you need. Piano roll perfection. The industry's best MIDI editor with advanced tools and helpers. Step sequencer. Create beats and patterns with the legendary FL Studio workflow. Mixer with 125 tracks, each with 10 effect slots and full routing flexibility. VST support. Use any third-party plugins alongside FL Studio's native tools. Time signatures. Work in any time signature and change mid-project. Audio recording. Multi-track recording with punch in, out, and comping. Automation clips. Automate any parameter with curves and LFO tools. Advanced synthesis. Citrus, Harmor, Harmless, and more powerful synths included. Sample manipulation. Time stretch, pitch shift, and slice with Edison and SliceX. Built-in mastering. Maximus, multiband compressor, limiter, and EQ for professional results. Best of all, this version is completely clean. No malware, no minors, just the full All Plugins Edition working exactly like the official one. The All Plugins Edition includes these premium plugins. Gross Beat for glitch and stutter effects used by top producers. New Tone for vocal pitch correction, better than Auto-Tune. Vocodex Vocoder for robot and talkbox effects. Sakura Physical Modeling for realistic string sounds. Transistor Bass for authentic TB303 acid sounds. Poizone and Toxic Biohazard synthesizers. Hardcore Guitar Effects Suite, Direct Wave Full Sampler, Drumax Physical Modeling Drum Synthesizer, plus dozens more plugins and sound banks. You could buy the Fruity Edition for $99, but it lacks audio recording, automation clips, and most plugins. The Producer Edition for $199 still misses tons of plugins. The Signature Bundle for $299 is better, but still incomplete. Or pay $499 for All Plugins Edition. That's serious money for bedroom producers. Here's what matters. FL Studio is used by Metro Boomin, Martin Garrix, Avicii, Afrojack, and countless hitmakers. The workflow is unmatched for electronic music, hip-hop, and trap. Other DAWs like Ableton cost $750. Logic Pro requires a Mac, and Pro Tools charges yearly. FL Studio gives you everything with lifetime updates. You can find FL Studio All Plugins Edition and other premium software on the site. Link in the pinned comment below. We update our collection weekly with Ableton Live, Logic Pro, Cubase, Studio One, and more music production tools. If this video was helpful, hit the like button and ring the notification bell for new releases. Check out our other videos for more amazing software. Thanks for watching, and enjoy making hits with FL Studio.